Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this fall-inspired perfume. It has a rich, woodsy, and comforting scent to it. It's everything you love about fall, and best of all, it uses natural ingredients. To make this perfume, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and weigh out into my beaker here some perfumer's alcohol. Now, the one that I am using is 200 proof ethanol. It has been denatured, and that simply means that it is bitter and undrinkable. Now, what alcohol will do in a perfume is it's going to help to lift and carry the scent. So you're going to have the scent last longer. The alcohol will evaporate off, and the scent itself will not sink into the pores, but rather lay close to the skin. It's also going to act as what would be known as a carrier. It's going to help to dilute the fragrance or scent. And in this particular perfume, I am using essential oils today. Now that I have added the perfumer's alcohol, I'm going to be starting to create the scent for this perfume. And the first essential oil I'm going to be adding is balsam fir essential oil. This has a very fresh, cruciferous, slightly sweet and earthy scent to it. It is a top to middle note, and it's going to create a really well-rounded aroma in this perfume. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some sweet orange essential oil. This has a very sweet and citrusy aroma to it. It is considered to be a top note, so it's going to be the first one that you smell in the perfume, but it's also going to be the quickest to dissipate, so it won't linger as long as some of the other essential oils. For a base note, I'm adding Himalaya cedarwood essential oil. This has a woody, smoky, and balsamic scent to it, and it's going to be one of the fixatives in this perfume, and that simply means that it's going to help to stabilize and prolong the scent of the other essential oils. I am now adding cardamom essential oil. This is a middle note, and it has a spicy, sweet, and woody scent to it. The next note that I'm using is benzoin. This is a base note. It's also a fixative, and this has a very warm, sweet, vanilla-like aroma to it. And combined with the other essential oils, it's really going to create a nice depth to this perfume. After adding the benzoin, I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the scale, and then I'm gently going to stir this for about 3 to 5 minutes. I want to make sure that I am incorporating all of the scents really well throughout the perfume. And then after I've done that, I'm simply going to be pouring this all into my spray bottle. Now, this formula does make about 10 grams of perfume, and I know it's very tempting to use this right away, but you really shouldn't. You should allow this to macerate, which just means sitting for about 2 weeks before you use it. That's going to help the different scent molecules to mature and blend well together, and it will give you more of a balanced and harmonious fragrance at the end. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use this perfume. It's the same formula. I just made it 2 weeks ago, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my wrist. Now, once you apply it to the skin, you will notice in just a matter of seconds, really, that the alcohol dissipates quickly and you're left with a really lovely fall fragrance. Before I go over the substitutions, I wanted to just give you a friendly reminder. Please don't forget, if you haven't already, to check the community section of this channel. I would greatly appreciate it if you would just take a minute and answer the question that I posted. This question focuses really on future video content for the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Here are the substitutions that I have for you. For the Perfumer's alcohol, use 190 proof Everclear. Other essential oil options that can be used to create a fall-inspired scent are going to be lavender, cypress, or another type of cedarwood essential oil, as well as eucalyptus and Palo Santo. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.